Okay, now it's your turn to show me that you understand the plot and how that we can look for the series of events that happen in a story. So on the other side of your graphic organizer, you will see the same graphic organizer, but it will be blank. And we are going to be doing the story, The Lion and the Mouse. So Miss Esther is simply just going to read the story to you, and then you will be filling out the graphic organizer, and you will be turning that in to me for this assignment's grade. So before we start reading, these are the 5 things that you need to be thinking about. Where does the story take place? The setting. Who are the characters? What happened in the beginning of the story, in the middle of the story, and the ending of the story? Okay, so let's read our story. The Lion and the Mouse. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly. In her fright and haste to get away, she ran across the lion's nose. Roused from his nap, the lion laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. "Spare me," begged the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you." The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him, but he was generous and finally let the mouse go. Some days later, while stalking his prey in the forest, the lion was caught in the toils of a hunter's net. Unable to free himself, he filled the forest with his angry roaring. The mouse knew the voice. She quickly found the lion struggling in the net. Running to one of the great ropes that bound him, she gnawed it until it parted. Soon the lion was free. "You laughed when I said I would repay you," said the mouse. "Now you see that even a mouse can help a lion." Okay, so face-to-face scholars, take that graphic organizer and you are going to be filling in each of those 5 boxes: setting, characters, beginning, middle, and end. And then my face-to-face scholars, my remote scholars, you are going to be filling in the graphic organizer on the Nearpod. On the next slide will be just a picture of the story. That way, if you need to look back at the story, you can, to help you.